don't get me. No. Your girl look good at the first.
Busy thinking about boys, girls like you, boys. I was busy dreaming.
Alright, so hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an installation video as well as a hair review for this lovely wig that I'm wearing, and this wig is from Klaiyi here on Amazon. Can you guys see the box? There we go. Klaiyi here on Amazon, and they sent me this gorgeous 12-inch Brazilian straight bob, and oh, your girl is feeling herself. I can't stop looking at myself here, can't stop looking at myself over there. I'm just feeling grown off right now. Oh my god, I feel like a businesswoman. I feel like I should be wearing a nice pantsuit, you know, going to meetings and whatever. Like, I feel grown. But yeah, this is the bob. I basically showed you guys how I install it using trusty old Pump It Up Spritz. This is the first time me using Spritz on a like full frontal, because my got to be glue is at my friend Sydney's house. So you know, your girl had to improvise because I needed to get this video out. I use Pump It Up on my closures all the time, but yeah, I showed you guys how I installed it, and yeah, it's pretty darn good. It looks pretty good. Yeah, I can see that side. Don't worry about like the drippings. Normally I do it without makeup, so I can go in and fix it, but I'm just gonna take some micellar water and wipe it off. So I showed you guys that when you just like put it down, when you finish, you just go through your comb and kind of break up the spritz a little bit, and it'll take that kind of stiff look off. But you know, I don't know if you guys can see because my angles are kind of off, but yeah, this is what it looks like. But yeah, to the hair. I love this hair. I've been really enjoying it. As I said, it's a 12-inch bob, and I kind of cut it in that little, you know, angular kind of flow. It's 130. Yeah, 130% density, and like it looks natural. It doesn't look too thin, it doesn't look too thick. It can really and truly pass for like my natural hair. The hair is so soft, like, and you see that, like, no joke, I haven't put in any products in this hair and I've washed it, and look how your hand, like my hands just gliding through. The hair is really soft. I love the cut, I love the texture, I love how the lace kind of work out. The only thing I don't like is there's not enough like parting space on the side because the lace starts here. Initially it's like a middle part bob, okay, it's like a middle part, so you kind of have more, you can see that, like more parting space in the middle. But I had a middle part bob in somewhere, if you guys remember, from Don Millie. So yeah, I wanted to try something different, and I just feel so grown and ish. Loving it. All right, but yeah, I can't stop playing in it. But I really do love this hair. It doesn't revert when you wash it or anything. It stays straight. Basically, you can kind of wash it and go if you really want to, but it's nice to put a little bump in there. I have no complaints, lie. The only thing I don't like is the knots. The knots didn't really bleach very well, so that's why I had to go in and use like my foundation powder on the parts and around the hairline that you're seeing. But other than that, I don't really have no complaints. I'm not gonna lie, like, get this bob, and I don't want you guys to quote me, but it's under $70, like, and it's a full frontal wig, pre-made and everything, under $70. Like, come on guys, this is no, that one is bad. I'm a mother wants it. That one is bad, man. That one there. So yeah, that's all I have to say about this hair. I hope you guys enjoyed the little installation video. It wasn't the best, but I'm trying to switch it up for you guys, and as usual, I had tons of fun filming this video, and until next time, bye guys. Your girl looks good. Your girl